Okay, so this is my project on the online food delivery system. First, I have the contents page, problem statement, database schema, working of the application, and the conclusion. So, here are some of the features like login, registration, view user homepage, view restaurant, select restaurant after filtering, view special offers, search for a particular item, view menu for special offers, then place order and receive order confirmation, view order history, view order status after delivery, make comment, view comments, add cash to your account. And this cash, I must clarify, is not real money. It is just it is just been done for implementation's sake. I would have wanted to integrate a proper payment system, but unfortunately there was a shortage of time, so I was not able to do that. The user can also change their password. You can view restaurant statistics and view user statistics. So my problem statement is that in urban areas there is a vast demand for quick and reliable food delivery services. However, challenges such as inaccurate delivery times, like all of us have experienced the feeling when we order some food and it's telling us that it will be delivered in half an hour, but it ends up taking more than an hour. Quality control, that sometimes the quality of the food delivered is not up to the mark, and inefficient routing. Often the portal for ordering food is also not synchronized with the menu correctly. Like maybe the menu being displayed is not today's menu, maybe it is some other day's menu. Now this is the ER diagram for my database, and I would like to explain the ER diagram through a digital model I have made for the ER diagram, as that will be easier for that will be more clear. So at first I have the customer table, which has its characteristics ID, which is the primary key, and customer name, address, contact number, email, confirmation code, password, and time joined. And password, I am hashing the password before storing it. So we are not storing any password explicitly. We are applying a hash function only, then storing the password, so that there are no issues for data secure, so that the data is secure and it remains private. Say for the restaurant, we have the name, location, cuisine type, its ID, which is the primary key, password, and the email. Then we have the placed underscore order table, which is like the backbone of the entire database. So we have the order ID, we have the order time, the estimated delivery time, the time when the food is ready, the actual delivery time. Then we have the delivery address, the customer ID, the price, discount, final price after discount, comment, and the timestamp when the order was placed, and the restaurant. So this placed underscore order is linked with the customer table via customer ID. It is linked with the order status table via the order status table is linked with the placed order rather by this placed underscore ID. Then the restaurant is also linked with the placed order table is also linked with comment. So for each order you place, you can make a comment here, and it will be stored in this table. So there's the placed order, there's the comment text, there's the timestamp the comment was made, there's whether the comment was praise or complaint, there's the rating you give to the order. Then there's an in order table too, which has the characteristics ID, placed underscore order underscore ID. There's the offer ID. In case this order there's an offer associated with the order, so we have the offer table for that, and each offer has its own ID, which is the primary key, the date it is active from, the date it is time if it is active from, the date it is active to, the time it is active to, and the offer price. And then we have a table for the menu underscore item. So there's the ID, there's the item name, there's the description, there's the ingredients, price, whether the item is active or not, the category name, and the restaurant ID. Then you have the in underscore offer table, which joins the offer table and the menu underscore item table. It stores what are the offers which are active for each menu item. And so that was an explanation for the database. And so now I have also written the schema here in case you want to take a look at the schema. It's basically the same thing, just the SQL code for all the tables. So I'll go through that quickly. Now I would like to explain some of the features available. So I will have a working demo for this shortly, but first I just want to give a quick overview for the features. So first, this is the home page, and you can sign in here, you can sign up here, like register, and this is the login page. This is the place where you can view the restaurants. If you click on this button, then you will be able to see the restaurant details like this. So you may not have to sign in to view the details actually. And the login page looks like this. This is the registration page, and it has some of the features like if your ID already exists, then you will be asked to choose a different ID. So I will show that shortly in the working demo. This is the user home page. You can see your ID, your address, contact number, email, time of joining, and account balance, etc. Alright, so you can also select a particular restaurant. You can like view the various restaurants, and you can also filter database using this option. I will display it in the demo, and you can also view your menu by clicking on this button. Like this is the result for filtering on North Indian. So you see that all the restaurants that serve North Indian food are displayed here. So you can also view all the restaurants which have the special offers, and if you click on this button, then you can view all of the offers available. So you can also look for a particular item. So these are the search results for a particular query when you search for a particular item, and you can if you click on the menu, then it will take you back to the menu for the particular restaurant, and then you can order. So this is the menu for one of the restaurants, and user can order by typing in your required quantity over here, and you can place the order here. And now this is the viewing the menu for the special offers which I showed earlier. So this is the special offers menu for one of the restaurants, and you order in the same way. You type in your quantity here, and you order by clicking this button. And this is a sample, like I have placed a sample order to show the confirmation page. So this is what the confirmation page looks like. You have the item name, you have the quantity of that item, you have the price per item, and the total price, like the price for that particular item, and then you have the total cost here. And about the delivery time, I wanted to have the proper proper order tracking, but the problem was that Google Maps API is paid, so I was forced to hard code delivery times. So I have hard coded a delivery time of 1 hour after it has been after the order has been placed. So now there's the order history page. So you can view all of the orders you made, and you can view your order status. You can also comment on the order. So like this is the order status just after you place the order. So it's just you can only see that the order has been placed. You can also see after the order has been delivered. So you can see that there are 4 status updates you will receive. Like first one is that the order has been placed. The second one is that the food preparation has been completed. Third one is the order is on the way, and fourth one is that it has been delivered. Also comment on an order, and whether it is a praise or not, and you can also give a rating. So here you can also see your whatever comments you made, and finally you can also add cash to your account. So perhaps I said earlier that this is not real cash. Like ideally you would want to integrate a payment system with this, but due to lack of time I was not able to do so. So this is just these are just some numbers. You can also withdraw cash from your account, and you can also change your password, and you can also view statistics for a particular restaurant. Like for a particular restaurant, you can view their average rating, their total sales, their total orders. You can also view the statistics of a particular user. Like you can view the number of orders you made from a particular restaurant. You can view the total amount of money you spent. You can also look at the average rating you've given. So now I would quickly like to show you some of the code, like the basic hierarchy of the project. So I've made a GitHub repository for this. So there you'll be able to and this is public, so you'll be able to clone the repository, and you'll be able to, if you install all the dependencies, and you can run your application. And I've given some pointers as to how to get started. So all the code is uploaded here. So when I submitted the codes, then the readme file was there, so you can refer to that readme file if you want to run it for yourself. So now I would like to give you a quick demo of all of the features. So Yes, so this is my website and this is the home page. So you can sign up by clicking on this, and you can also view all of the restaurants available. And let's say you want to filter, then let's say you want to have some continental food, then and let's say you change your mind and you want to have something else, you can also filter according to that. And you can also log in if you already have an account. So first for the demo, first I would like to show you an account I've already made, and then I will show you the process of how to register. So this is an account I've already made, and let us say you want to change your password. So you type in your original password and your new password, like it is done on all of the websites, and you'll be asked to log in again. You log in, and like this is your home page, so you can view your address, contact number, email, time of joining, account balance, and this is just an image I have added to enhance the look of the website a little bit. Say you want to add cash to your account, so let's say you want to add 2000, you add this. So you can also withdraw cash from your account. Let's say you want to withdraw 1000, so there it is. And so let us say you want to order, so you can filter here as well. Let's say you want to order North Indian food today. You'll be able to see your all of the restaurants available, and if you click on this, you can view their menu, and you can place the order by just altering the quantity over here. You place the order, and then you can see the total cost, delivery time. As I said earlier, that this has just been hard coded. This is just 1 hour later from the current time, and you can view the order history. So this is the latest order I had made just now. So the only status you'll get to see at the moment is that the order has been placed, but I also placed a few orders earlier so that I can show you a later stage of the order status. So like here, for example, you see 20 minutes after the order has been placed, you get a notification that the food preparation has been completed, and 5 more minutes later you will get to see that the food is on the way. Alright, so now you will also be able to comment on a particular order if you want to through this. And let us say I want to say that the variety of the food was good, so so now if you go on view comments, then you can see this latest comment you've made with the timestamp and the comment itself. So now you can also view your special offers, like these are the restaurants which offer special offers. And let's see, you click here, you can see all the offers with the original price and the offer price, and you can order from here as well. You place the order, and then again you see the price and everything. Okay, now let us say you want to look for a particular food item. So let us say you're looking for an English breakfast. Now you can see all the restaurants which have it available and the particular food item. So let's say you want to order this. So if you click on the menu, you'll be taken to the restaurant menu page, and you can order from here. Okay, so now you can also view all of the comments you've made, like the restaurant name, the price, and comments are sorted in the order of when they have been made. So the time, the comment text, the rating and praise, and so on. And like now you can also view some restaurant statistics, like if I want to view them for, let's say, KFC, you can see the average rating, the total sales, the total orders it has received, and you can also view it, let's say, for some other restaurant here. You can also view your own statistics, like what are the orders you've made, the average rating, the total amount of money you've spent. For each of the restaurants, you can take a look. Okay, so let us say now I would like to show you how exactly you register a new account on this portal. So let's say we go back to the home page, and let's say By the way, you can browse the restaurants even if you have not logged in. So this is perfect for a user who just wants to take a look at the restaurants, and maybe they have not made an account yet. Maybe they will make an account later. So this is just a added feature, and you can also filter over here as well. And okay, so now I would like to show you the process of registration. So let us say first of all I try an ID which has already been taken, so that you will get to see that you will not be able to register that. Right, so since the ID is already present, so you will not be able to register. So you will have to look for a new ID. So let's say I have ID number 4. I just start typing all of the details here quickly. Alright, so now you are redirected back to the login page. You've got to log in here. So now obviously, since your account has been newly made, you can see your time of joining, which is precisely the correct time. Account balance at the moment starts at 0. At the moment, obviously, these are all empty since you've not made any orders yet. Yeah. So you can still view the restaurant statistics normally, of course. Since user statistics, you've not ordered yet, so there are no statistics available for you. And again, you can order in the similar way. That let us say you want to order from here. Oops, there's not enough cash because we started at 0, so yeah, I need to add some cash first. So let us say I add 2000. Now I go back to order over here. Let us say I order here. Oh, it's still not enough cash. Okay, so need to add a little more, I guess. Let's just add 3000. Now I'll order. Okay, so this is the total order cost, you can see, and delivery time and everything similarly. Now finally your order history will have this order available. If you see your status, it has just been placed, and if you want to comment on the order, you can do so as well. So in the similar way, and you can also like search for a particular item again, and if you click on either of these, then you will be taken to the particular menu like this. And you've not made any comments yet. Let's say I add a comment. So sorry, yeah, let's say I let's say I add a comment here at now you can view the comment you made just now with the time and the price of the order and the restaurant and now you'll be able to see your user statistics as well, since you've given a rating. And obviously you can keep viewing your restaurant statistics in the same way. So you can see that this value has got updated because I ordered just now. So also, if you try to withdraw more money than you already have, then you will get this error. You can also change your password in the same way. And now I would like to show you some of the code quickly. So I made this in Python mostly. I use the library Flask and library CS50 because CS50 library has the package SQL, which makes it easier for me to do the database management. And we are using a SQLite server. For example, I can access the database through here. So let us say I want to access the database from here. Let's say I want to see the schema, so we can also take a look at the schema here, all the tables available, and also execute queries here itself. Oh, sorry, I think the table is called users. Oh, I think it is customer, sorry. Yeah, so we can see all the details of whoever has registered. So you can do all the database handling here itself. And I also stored some of the data in these CSV files, but I added some data later on, so that is why I have these SQL insert statements into the tables as well. And these are the requirements. And I made it as a single page application. Like, I have only one main Python file, and I have coordinated the entire project here itself. Like I've used functions to render different HTML pages, and also to execute queries here on the backend and pass it to the HTML files where they are displayed. Yeah, I mean, I've also taken care of error handling, and I have a CSS file as well for this purpose. And I have the images stored here as well, whatever images I have used in the project. And I also have a helper file which is displaying the error message and this login required page, so that whenever we need the user to be logged in to view a particular page, like if they want to order, the user must be logged in. So this is the function I've used for that, which has been used in this file app.py. This is a separate error file. Right, so finally I would like to conclude the project by saying that there were a few more features I wanted to add, but I faced difficulties. Like, I wanted to add a way to view the order status. So there is a Google Maps API which would have allowed me to do so, but problem is that it is a paid service, so I was forced to fix a pre-calculated estimate for the delivery time instead. And potentially we can also integrate it with a proper payment gateway, so that the user can choose his mode of payment, like via cash or card or money taken from his user account. So I would like to conclude by saying that the project taught me a lot about database management, and how exactly a website is made, and how to handle data and load them into the database efficiently. And had I had more time, then I would have been able to make it a more elaborate and more functional project. But in the limited time, this was what I was able to make. So thank you, and I hope that you like my presentation.